I bought it to use it with my D850 and it works like a charm. I saw in many reviews that keeping the receiver attached to the camera when not using will result in battery drain, and I hate to remove and attach the receiver back every time I want to use it. Hence, what I do is I simply remove the. This is my review after using the RFN-4's remote about a dozen times over the last 3 months. The new version of the RFN-4's wireless remote shutter release for Nikon DSLR with MC30 connection, available after about mid-2018, is really small. See the picture. You can leave it on your camera while you carry it around or put it in your camera bag for shorter time periods, it's say up to a day or two. The antenna on the camera-mounted receiver is flexible and won't break off. If you handle your camera normally, there isn't a problem leaving the receiver on the camera and getting damaged. The remote is easy to use and comes with a slide-over cover at the actuation button to prevent accidental pictures being taken. The unit also comes with a small 2-section pouch to keep the. This is handy since they are so small, each is no longer than about 2 inches in length. The receiver is easy to screw onto your camera and take off. I over-tightened it the first time but learned. The receiver is powered by the camera battery, so you wouldn't want to leave it on for weeks or months, but the power draw appears minuscule as compared to the draw from the camera itself. I would definitely recommend this unit. It is less expensive than the OEM units, is well built, small, and works well. I used the RFN-4's kit for the first time last week and it worked flawlessly on every shot. Setup and installation was easy. I am very satisfied. Hands down my favorite photography gadget I have in my toolkit. It took me a little bit to get used to the process, but this has allowed me to get out from behind the camera and work directly with my clients and has yielded some of the best shots I've done. The range is pretty great and after 6 months I am still using the same battery in the remote. The adapter piece ties into the camera's rechargeable battery, so it does drain a little faster than usual. Not a big deal as extra batteries are very affordable. I shoot a Nikon D810 and this has given me a new aspect to my work. Highly recommend. Great piece of equipment. I was able to get the best yet bird snaps. Love this. Exactly what I was looking for. I use this with my D800 and it is a lifesaver. I record videos all the time and saves me the hassle of walking all the way from FOH to the camera to resume recording when I am at church taping the sermon. The range is awesome and spot on, haven't had a problem yet. This will autofocus just like the standard Nikon shutter button, you press it halfway down and it focuses for you. Would definitely recommend this buy. Click link in description for more reviews.